What's up, everybody? I'm John Alexander, back with another video. It's currently the day after Christmas. I hope everybody enjoyed their holiday. We're waiting on some new pickups for you guys for the channel. So in the meantime, we're gonna discuss a pair of sneakers that I got here. But today was a hectic day. I mean, how many of you guys were up for the Yeezy Reflective 350 release? It was crazy. That was a YeezySupply.com exclusive. A lot of people had problems. The website was crashing. How many of you guys took W's today on that? So anyways, I mean, it's the holidays. A lot of you guys got some extra money in your pockets now, looking to buy some new gifts. We're gonna talk about this box, which y'all can see it comes from Gucci. This isn't a new pickup. I actually got this from my last birthday, which is October. Shout out to all my Libras out there. But this comes from Gucci, and this is gonna be a part of our Before You Buy series. So you're gonna wanna watch this video for any questions you have about these sneakers. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Again, this package comes from Gucci. So today we've got the Gucci Rhyton sneaker. So this particular sneaker, this is a $900 sneaker. So the purpose of this video is before you guys spend your hard-earned money on these, you can know how it fits, know about sizing. We're gonna answer any of those questions here with this video today. And we're gonna get them on feet to show you. So these come with 2 dust bags. Got your Gucci logo on them. Dust bags, I never really use them. The only reason I would say these would come in handy is if let's say if I'm traveling or something. But they come with 2 dust bags. So now these sneakers, they come with their own individual plastic bag each. So a nice touch from Gucci. They're real heavy. They're comfortable, but definitely heavy. So these sneakers, they're part of the whole dad shoe wave, which I'm a big fan of. I had to grab these. They have like 8 different kinds of these, ranging from Gucci logo to like different colors to even new ones with the classic baseball teams that Gucci's going with. They got the Yankee and the LA one, but these are just the classic Gucci logo. So these are a pair of the Gucci Rhyton sneakers. So this shoe, of course, you got the signature Gucci logo right on the front. More of the branding right on the tongue here, as well as on the back. And on the bottom, you can see here, it says Gucci made in Italy, and then it features little star prints all along on the bottom. So I wore these one time, and as you can see, they're gonna get a little dirty. And these aren't actually, you probably can't tell in this video, they're not an actual white. They're more of like a cream, off-white type of color. So we got the Gucci Rhyton sneaker. So this shoe, after taxes, is gonna run you almost $1,000. I've seen some websites overseas where you can catch them on sale. So go ahead and look them up. We're gonna go ahead and throw these on feet for y'all. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it a W or are we taking an L for the price? Alright guys, let's go ahead and throw these on feet. And this is gonna be really handy for any questions with sizing. Now, if you guys can recall from my last video where we reviewed the Balenciagas, all designer sneakers are always going to run a little larger. So I always recommend to go not a half size, but a full size down. So for an example, This particular model is a 43, which is a men's US 9.5. So just to save you guys the effort and time, I'm a men's size 10.5, and in these I went ahead and purchased these in a size 43, which is a US men's 9.5. So again, we have the Gucci Rhyton sneakers. What do y'all think? Would you buy these for the personal, or did we take it now? Hopefully this video will answer any of your sizing questions. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up today's video. We went ahead and did the watch before you buy here on the Gucci Rhyton sneakers. Gave y'all sizing information. Now, when purchasing these, if you really want to flex, make sure you go ahead and grab this shirt with it. It's only right, guys. Alright? And a tip when you're buying this shirt, there's different models of the regular Gucci t-shirt. This one in particular, this one has a better fitting neck. The other ones have a loose, wide fitting. So if you want to get this, make sure you spend the extra money. It's like an additional $200, but if you buy the one that has the little logo on the back, it's going to give you the better fitting neck. These shirts do run a little oversized, but I would recommend to go with your true to size. So I'm 6 foot and I went ahead and purchased a large. So just another tip for y'all. Again, I'm John Alexander signing out. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like this video for me. We're going to be doing that giveaway for the Supreme Marvin Gaye t-shirt. So go ahead and like and subscribe on the channel. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one.